Hello everyone, welcome back to my grammar class. In this class we are going to learn about articles. My name is Mrs. Shivakanya Todkar. Let's learn about articles. A and the are articles. Articles. An articles is a word that comes before a noun. Vowels A, E, I, O, U are 5 vowels. Consonant B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z consonants. A goes before a word that begins with consonant. When to use an? Any word that begins with a vowel A, E, I, O, U, then we can use an apple, an iPad, an umbrella, an egg, an oven. When to use a? Any word that begins with a consonant, not a vowel. A book, a dog, bone, a town. The. Identify a specific person or place or things. That time we will use the. We use a before a word that begins with the consonant sound. A girl, G is consonant. A cat, C is consonant. We use an before a word that begins with vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. An apple, an egg. Here A and E are vowels. Vowel. Look at the picture and make a word using a or an before the word. An elephant. Here E is vowel. Look at the picture and make a word using a or an before the word. A man. M is consonant. Look at the picture and make a word using a or an before the word. An umbrella. Beginning letter is U, vowel. Look at the picture and make a word using a or an before the word. Bag. B is a consonant, that's why a bag. Look at the picture and make a word using a or an before the word. Igloo. I is a vowel, that's why an igloo will come. Look at the picture and make a word using a or an before the word. Fan. F is consonant, that's why a fan will come. Look at the picture and make a word using a or an before the word. Rabbit. R is a consonant. Before rabbit, a will come. A rabbit. Fill in the blanks with a or an. E is a vowel, that's why an will come. An egg in a basket. A man in an aeroplane. Before vowel, an will come. Before consonant, a will come. A boy on an elephant. A girl with an umbrella. U is a vowel, that's why before vowel an will come. Fill in the blanks with a or an. A pen in an ink pot. Fill in the blanks with a or an. A frog in a well. Fill in the blanks with a or an. An ice cube in a glass. A flag on a pole. Before consonant, a will come. Before consonant, a will come. Then here, a lock and a key. A spoon and a fork. Fill in the blanks with a or an. Dash dash boat with dash dash oar. Answer. A boat with an oar. There is dash dash on the log. There is a dog on the log. Fill in the blanks with the right word. Add a to the words. Okay. There is a cat on the mat. There is dash dash in the tub. There is a cup in the tub. There is, yes, guess, a fish in the dish. Use a or an to complete the following. Rita and Neeta sit down for breakfast. Rita eats an egg and a slice of bread. Neeta eats an apple and drinks a glass of milk. Use a or an to complete the following. Raman goes to a toy shop. He buys an aeroplane, a teddy bear, a doll, a racing car, and a xylophone. Use a or an to complete the following. This is my pencil box. I keep a pencil, an eraser, a sharpener, and a ruler in it. I hope all of you understand this video. Study at home